The single crochet. When you start your single crochet, you're going to start from the second chain from your hook. So here's one and here's two, and you insert your hook into the bottom of your V. And I'm going to do it really slow. So when you put your hook into the bottom of your V, you're going to look behind and there's ridges in the back and your hook is going on below the ridge of your chain. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to pull up. So now you have two loops, you're going to yarn over, and then you're going to pull through the two loops, and that's a single crochet. And we're going to do it again. Go to the bottom, and you'll see it's underneath the ridge, and you're going to yarn over, pull up, you're going to have two loops, and then you're going to yarn over again, and then you're going to pull through. And here I just did it really slow. And this is your single crochet. The second way to do your single crochet is at your foundation chain, you will go ahead and turn your chain towards you, and you'll see the ridges behind you, behind the chain, sorry about that. And you're going to start again at the second, so it's 1, 2, or whatever your instructions state. And you're going to put your hook behind the ridge. So I'm going to do it really slow. So that's behind the ridge. And then you're going to yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over again. And that's your first chain. And you're going to go ahead and I'll do it really slow, using my finger here to help me out. And then you're going to put your hook through and you're going to yarn over. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through. And that again is your single crochet. And when you put through the ridge, it causes a more stable. The bottom of your foundation will look exactly like the top of your work. Okay, so when you get to the end of your stitches and you want to go to your second row, you're going to chain one and then you're going to turn. To do your second row of stitches, you're going to go underneath both stitches. You're going to pull, and then you're going to yarn over, and you're just going to start again. So you go underneath both the entire V, so both of them. You yarn over, two, and then yarn over, and you're going to go. And so that'll start your second row of stitches. And then you would just go across. And this here is your single crochet. So go ahead and practice that, and then we'll see you for the next video for double crochet.